Kung mawawalan ka ng trabaho bukas, ilang buwan tatagal ang savings mo? May nabasa akong libro, hindi niya lang binago yung pananaw ko sa pera. Binago niya din kung paano ako magplano para sa future. Hindi siya about sa kung paano yumaman agad eh. Hindi rin siya tungkol sa pagnenegosyo agad. It's about being prepared kahit anong mangyari. This book is not just a book for me. It's a framework. A framework that I personally use to plan my financial freedom. One of the strongest messages of the book is this: financial freedom doesn't happen by chance. It is designed. Most people plan their careers. Anong trabaho, paano ma-promote, anong next role, pero hindi nila pinaplano yung pera nila. So after reading this book, I stopped asking anong trabaho ang susunod kong a-applyan. And I started asking anong klase ng buhay ang gusto kong mabuo financially. So this book made me realize na ang sweldo is temporary, trabaho can change, pero ang plano dapat long-term. So I started planning based on income stability, protection, long-term asset, and financial security kahit may mangyari. This is where insurance and investment came in. Insurance became my foundation, not as expense, but as protection of my future plans. Investment became my growth tool para hindi lang ipon ng pera, kundi lumalago din. Kumbaga, protection first, growth second, and freedom for long term. Hindi pa ako totally financially free, pero meron na akong malinaw na direksyon. And that clarity alone already changed my decisions. So if you want to learn how I translate The Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Mr. Robert T. Kiyosaki into an actual financial freedom plan, comment plan or send me a DM or click the link on my bio and follow me for part 2.